Hi, in this video, let me show you how to get Google Drive on your MacBook Neo and also how to sync your files with your drive. So the step number one is to open a web browser. Could be Chrome if you have it, or Safari, it doesn't matter. Once you are in your web browser, go on Google, google.com. Okay, simply type it on the top. Then right over here, you're gonna see a bunch of dots. These are the Google apps. Tap on this, and one of the options should be Google Drive. Select Google Drive. Next, we need to sign in. Over here, you're going to click, enter your Google account and the password assigned to your Google Drive account. So I'll go ahead and log myself in. I'll press next, and then we'll see what to do next. Okay, so right now I'm logged in into my Google Drive account. This is on the web browser. Obviously, this is not what we want. We want to have it on the Mac itself. On the lower corner, you're going to have a pop-up asking you to download Google Drive. This is what we want. Now, what if you don't see this pop-up? Let's say it's like that. Where should you go? You're going to go in Computers. You're going to go over here and click Learn More and tap Install for Mac OS. Go down, click Download for Mac, and allow this to happen. The download has started. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, I'll go in my file and download files over here and click on Google Drive, the file I just downloaded. This will open. I will double click on it. I'll press continue, continue, again, install. I'll enter the password of my MacBook. And now the installation has begun. Wait a few seconds, it doesn't take much time. Okay, perfect. I'll click Get Started. It will ask us to sign in again into our account. Click on your account. Click Sign In. If you want Google Drive to start syncing automatically right away, you're going to press OK. And here you're going to select which folder on your Mac you wish Google Drive to sync. So for example, if you want everything in your documents to be synced, well, you can click this. And if there is another folder that you have on your Mac you want to add to your Google Drive, so it's synced, you can click Add Folders. It's up to you. I'll click Desktop. Press Allow. And I'll press Next. Got it. It will ask you if you want to back up the pictures that are currently on your MacBook Neo, pictures or movies. These are in this specific folder that are right under. If you don't want this, press Skip, press Next, open Drive. And as you see now, it's currently syncing some files that I have on my computer. If I close this down and I open my Finder, I'll have Google Drive has an option under Locations. If I click on it, I will have my drive over here with all the files. Now I don't have anything in my drive, that's why it's empty, but you're going to see your files over there. So this is it. This is how you get Google Drive on your MacBook Neo. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.